Oh, this is funny watching you try and assemble this.
Oh, shut up. I've never actually...
Then the educational benefits of this are being twofold.
This is not the kind of tire iron I thought it was, which makes this slightly more difficult. Now I gotta... Oh no, I can just do it like that. Okay.
Have you done anything like this before?
Yes. But I will admit,
You've never done this with Mexicanian steel.
yeah, I know it's just, if I really wanted to, I could just back the truck up and unhook that.
I was wondering if you saw the obvious solution.
Oh yeah, I did.
Now, if this was a master lock, would it have given way by now?
What?
If it was a master lock, would it have given way by now?
Yes, it would have.
Alright, so I guess these locks are actually fairly decent then.
Because I'm not actually attacking the lock right now.
What are you trying to attack?
Well, right now I'm actually attacking the shackle. Actually, this is a shitty lock, and if I hadn't gotten, if it was still right side up, I could probably just shim it.
I was debating which way should I have hooked that in.
Yeah.
Because I figured this way, well, it'd probably be easy to pick.
Do I have my picks with me? I don't remember.
I was expecting you to bust out your tryout keys.
My what? Oh, my, the keys I have?
Yeah, I'm going to call them tryout keys.
Those won't work on this. But that just bent my screwdriver. That was stupid on my part. This isn't even... You know, I had a reciprocating saw in the back of here.
But did you have power?
Battery. You wouldn't happen to have a socket wrench, would you? Or not a socket wrench, just a regular wrench.
Nah. That would kind of defeat your purpose anyway.
Oh no, I can use the wrench to break the lock.
No. Using my stuff to break my lock.
Any of this really won't work. So this is one long video?
We're about 4.5 minutes now. I probably should have been recording the time I spent waiting too. I set this up like 10 minutes ago.
So is this what you wanted me to come out for 45 minutes ago?
No, actually it wasn't.
Oh.
It was like when Sean told me 45 minutes ago that you were going to be a while, I was like, you know what? I should go get my chain out of my other truck because I forgot to grab it earlier.
Do I have a jack?
I forgot my 6-ton jack.
I think I do have a jack. I don't want to
I'd love to see what your jack looks like.
Oh, it's shitty.
I'm sure it is.
This would work better. I just need something that I can slip through all the way.
I guess it's a good thing the shackle one that's awfully small then. Initially I was like, I'm not sure these shackles are big enough.
Oh, you came back.
Just take it off the base of your car.
Oh, I might be somewhere, but I'm about to injure myself, probably.
Something gave.
Something did give.
Oh, is the shackle bent now?
Shackle is bent.
Well, I don't think I can release it anymore, so... Oh! So what did it... It didn't just bend.
Man, I ripped that shit out.
She broke. Still, that put up more of a fight. I thought it was going to.
I didn't try very hard. Hold on, I actually want to get a picture of this.
Here, you want the rest of that?
No, I'll take the chain though.